Hello, guys. We're going to do a practice stroke today. I'm doing birds this month, so I'm putting all kinds of different birds. I happen to do two hummingbirds so far this week, but I think you'll like it because this is just like concentrating on how to build it from a pattern. So I'm picking up white and I'm taking it off. So you just want a little bit. I'm going to do this bird, this hummingbird, and I want it as you look at how you want the beak. All right. Check and see if it's showing up. Okay. So I need a little bit more. All right. So I'm going here and I can have that wing like that. I'll show you what else I can do because I want you to play with this stencil and make it work for you. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I have lives. And check out if you want to really take lessons to learn how to paint better and learn one stroke. Be sure that you do some things like the one stroke advantage because it's like taking lessons right there online every week, and you can start for by $10. All right, now I'm going to move. See, I switched this down. So I want another wing a little bit lower. See, so instead of these real tight together, I wanted one up there and one down here. So, and I have changed this beak, the curved beak, to a different tail. And I've changed this tail, all right, to one of these other bird tails and had it go straight. So you can mix it up. Cardinals, all kinds of birds flying and sitting in nests, and all these little extra birds on the outside are like um, beach birds or lake birds. Okay, so now I've got some fun colors here. I do have a metallic, the new radiant metallic gris, some bright greens. This is that pretty new color. Then I have aqua. These are all multi-surface colors, okay, guys? All right, so multi-surface, they look in different bottles. All right, the radiant metallic is a faux card. All right, and so I've got licorice and I've got real brown and look at me blue. So bright green. This is neon green. And then this one's bright green. All right, I'm putting them all there. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them all. I am coming here first thing with an 8 flat. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to see where the white's going to go. So all along here, I put some white in here on the chisel. Okay, so these are back here. And this is just art paper I'm using right now, a pad of art paper, because you would be using it on glass, metal, ceramic, whatever. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put white in here too. See, I can curve it a little bit instead of having it so straight. All right, this one I decided to put on front. You could do that either way, okay? Then I have to come right in here. And then I'm going to make a little bit in here and along the tummy. Okay, so this is around the wing. Then I'm going to put a little bit in the tummy. Okay. Now I want my tail to be a little bit longer. So all that's possible, okay? So first thing is there's a couple that are in here a little bit longer. Those I am actually going to put a little bit of brown in those. All right, so you see where I'm at? Just base coating. All right. So now let's come in here and we're going to put some of this metallic. It's going to be like this wing's in the back. So it's going to go a little bit up in, like it's going to be behind that wing. All right. And then you have a little bit of this metallic right in here. I put way too much paint there. See that little bit of design shows through actually. All right. Then put a little bit of green in here. Okay. A little bit of green in here. That's that bright green. I didn't get the neon yet. Um, so I'm going to take a little bit of this aqua, the what is it? Verdigris? Let's give me some tough names to remember. All right, so we're going to come around here and go right there. Take your time, make sure you get all the little, it's just a little bit slower than our typical one stroke, but it's so nice when it's all done. All right, so then this was this metallic right in there. Okay, so look at some of these tail feathers. All right, so this is right here. Let's get a little bit of white. And well, I'm going to do these underneath ones first. Okay, let's go. I have a little look at me below. I'm going to go back to this verdigris. I'm probably butchering that name, but okay. So see how I put some of these pretty blues in here? All right, and a little bit of the look at me blue in here. Okay. A little bit right there. And let's get a small brush, a 6. And we're going to put some of this neon brighter green in here. Okay. See, you got all the different compartments in the stencil, but I just want you to see that right on top of here, this neon green will really stand out. You just tap, tap that. And I did put a little bit of that right here. And a little bit here. See, that's just gonna like really pop. Now we want to take, let's go back to, looks like a 10. All right, so let's look at these back wings. Okay, so we have moved these out of the way. We're going to pick up white and do these back wings, all right, with a little bit of this brown. And I just wanted to lightly shade it, all right? So this is behind here. I can get a little floating medium if I need to. Get a little bit more. All right. So we're going to put a little bit of brown in another place here. when we come back. All right, so I'm going to pick up some brown right in here. So it's coming across here from right here. Then I'm going to tap, 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 tap. Okay. Now the rest are white. Okay, so I'm going to put some brighter white on here. Push, pull. So it doesn't look too brown. Okay, now this is where it's really going to show. I'm going to pick really good white up. Come across here. See how the white comes across that wing? Doesn't that turn out pretty? So the stencil's just like a pattern that's laid there for you, all right, to just help you. Now let me go back to the smaller brushes. Okay, so right in here, I'm going to take a little bit there. I hope you enjoy checking this out with me because these small strokes is what makes this so nice. Okay, and right in here, we get a little bit of dark in here. Okay, and a little bit of blue. See, the more you just play around with it, the nicer it looks. All right, so this is metallic with blue. And I'm making some little strokes with that. All right. Now, we are going to come down here and grab a little teeny bit of licorice with this 6 flat. And I'm going to come right in here, up there, and down here. See, I'm going to come right on top. And if you're on a painted surface, like I would like to just make that a little skinnier. If I was on a painted surface, I can come right here and take off where it got too big with a wet brush. So you take it off here, paper towel, take it off here, paper towel, and clean it up, okay? Because now I got a little bit bigger than I wanted to be. I'm going to take a little bit of white with the same flat 6. And you put a little white there. You're going to put a little bit of white over the eye. Okay. And then a teeny bit of brown over there. Pull it into the brown and the rest of the bird. Okay. And we can have a little bit of brown here. Okay. And last thing, we're going to take our kiss tool, which is the wipe away tool. All right. And we're going to take the end of this and put a nice size. I can wipe this off and then come here and make it fit in there nice. Now, you see that nothing was hard. It was just a lot of little steps. Okay? Not hard, just a lot of little steps. Okay? So I hope you like that. See, it naturally shades that for you. And talking about it's called bird variety stencil. All right, please subscribe, ring the bell so you see when I'm on next, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.